Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is part 7 of SQL Server tutorial. In today's session we are going to discuss about functions in SQL Server. We have two types of functions in SQL Server. One is system defined functions and another one is user defined functions. Under system defined functions we have two types of functions. One is scalar functions and another one is aggregate functions. Under user defined functions we have different types of functions. One is scalar functions, next inline table valued functions. Finally, we have multi-statement table valued functions. We are going to discuss about each function with the examples. Please watch this video till the end for better understanding. Okay. First, we'll see what is function. Function is a database object in SQL Server. A function have a name and a function name can never start with the special characters like at the rate, dollar, hash, etc. Okay. So while creating any function, we should not use special characters and we have to provide the name for function. So without providing name, we can't create a function. Functions only work with the select statements. We can use only select statements inside the function. We can't use other than select statements. Okay. This is the one main important point is functions every time it will compile. Functions must return a value or result. Whenever we are creating a function, it should must return a value or result, that is nothing but our output. Functions only work with input parameters. Whenever we are creating any functions, we have to provide the input parameter. Without input parameters it will not work. So in this session we have discussed about what are all the functions available in the SQL Server. Next session we are going to discuss about system defined functions in SQL Server. Okay, that's it for today. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel.